Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back. So guys, as part of the today's session, we want to see a small example where in which we can handle the keyboard actions. See, basically, certain situations, the application, you explicitly need to handle your keyboard. Okay, pressing on an escape button, pressing on a tab button, or any number of a key that you have on a keyboard. If you want to perform this particular activity, how are we gonna deal that? Okay, how are we gonna deal with that particular activity, which is a keyboard handling? So for which, what I am doing is I was searching for Appium Android keyboard, and I'm navigating to press keyboard. In Appium Python, you have a press key code. Okay, you have a press key code for which, for this particular press keyboard, you need to give a unique key value. Okay, whichever the key that you want to give, you just need to give a unique key value. With that a key value, automatically your system will recognize, your tool will recognize, and it will perform the operation. But I don't know what exactly the 10 code means, right? A key code, what exactly the 10 means. So let us deep dive into this particular documentation. They have a given as a key codes, okay, the code for a particular key. And if you go here into the detailed documentation, basically, they have a given complete details about the individual keys. See, basically, if you want to perform a key code of a 4, the constant value is 11. So, which means in the program, driver dot press key code, if you give as 11, it will be performing the 4 key. Okay, it will be performing the 4 key. So, what I have done right now is I took a base program that we have created earlier, in which I just performed a click operation into this particular text field so that my control is pointing to the username text field. Now here, driver dot press a key code, and the key code value for the 4 is 11. So which means whenever the program got executed, it should perform the 11 entry. Okay, it should enter the 4 into that particular keyboard. Okay, fine. If you further scroll down, it does has the keys for the individual chunks. Okay, whichever the individual fields are there in the keyboard, for everything it does has the keys here. Okay, it does has the keys for everything. Okay, you can choose all those things, and here there is an enter. For the enter, the key code value is 66. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, after that I want to go with a 66. Okay, perfect. Let me try to run this particular program and check it out, what exactly the actions it is performing on the application. Okay, so I'm trying to execute my program. It just launched the app. After launching the app, it's waiting for few seconds, and after that it will click on the username text field, and then it will enter a value into that, and then it performed an enter operation. Immediately after this particular operation, I'm terminating the instance. That's the reason we are unable to see what action it performed. So let me add a time dot asleep at the end to see whether the enter operation got performed or not. And now I'm re-executing my program. Okay, I just started executing my program now. So the script is getting executed. Okay, the script is getting executed, and see here it entered a 4, and even it performed a click operation on an enter so that the keyboard got a closed. This is the way how exactly you can use a keyboard related commands. Okay, perfect. Done the deal. See you again in the next lecture with the next topic. Thank you.